Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Blessing from Abak, Nigeria. I want to show you guys how busy I am every morning. So here is the food. I want to enter my farm, my pig farm. So here is their food. Now I will first of all put water and allow the food for some minutes for the food to dissolve and rise. So after that, I will now turn the food. Look at it now as I'm turning it. So after everything, I will now take it to them. So due to how tired I am this morning, so I asked my junior brother to help me and enter the farm for me. At least let me have a little rest. So he accepted. Then look at him here. After turning it, I'll give it to him to turn it, then scoop it and now give to the pigs. So here I will show you guys how my pigs look like. Then I will also show you guys how their farm is when they did not sweep it. And I will also show you when they sweep it. Guys, follow up. I will keep you guys updated. This my brother will show you how to do it. Thank you guys for following my channel. Thank you for always commenting sweet comments. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you for always liking my channel. May the God Almighty bless you all. I still remain your friend and your sister. Blessing from her back. Thank you guys.
Good.
Sana. Guys, this small one here, they are 1 month old. Then this small one, I'm giving them scatter. Look at it here. I'm giving them scatter for them to grow fast. So this farm work is not easy. Thank you. Stay tuned. I will still keep you guys updated. Thank you. Love you all.